Here we're asked to prove the alternate interior angle theorem. You can't just say angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by the alternate interior angle theorem. You have to prove it. Okay, so start with what you're given. So I am given that P is parallel to Q. I have to relate the angle 1 and angle 2 somehow. Okay, but I know that angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding angle postulate. Those have to be congruent because we are already given that the lines are parallel. From there, I also see that angle 3 and angle 2 are congruent because of vertical angles. This is good because now I introduce the angles that I want. I have angle 1 from my second line of corresponding angle postulate, and I introduce angle 2 in my vertical angle in my third line. Now I just have to get rid of angle 3 somehow. Notice there's an angle 3 on both of line 2 and line 3. So by using the transitive property, the angle 3 basically disappears, leaving me with angle 1 is congruent to angle 3 by the transitive property.